guys, my name is Tamia Wilson. I am the STEM lab teacher here at Park Street Elementary.
Hi, I'm Andrea Richard, and I am the Food Corps AmeriCorps service member here at Marietta City Schools.
And here at Park Street Elementary, we have what's called our STEM/Food Corps garden, and this is some of our fruits of our labor here, actually the students' labor. We started with the kindergartners, and they actually started with watering. We had our STEM club and some of our food court students plant, and we've got a huge garden outside. We can't wait to show you. But this is just some of our fruits that we have grown. I've been around the district, but I always return back to Park Street. I love the environment here. The staff is amazing. The children come from close-knit family homes, and that's why I keep coming back here, and I love being here in this area, as well as just showing them different ways of living, like farming healthy and eating well.
It's just a wonderful opportunity for this district to learn something new, learn something that other schools do not have the opportunity to, they don't have the opportunity to grow fruits and vegetables in their schools. We don't live in, the country. We don't live near farmland. We are very much in Metro Atlanta. And so, we're blessed to be able to have just the small garden that we do, but it produces a lot, as you can see. So we're just teaching them that even in their backyards, apartment complexes, everywhere, that you can start a garden and you can produce food.